Welcome to my last video for 2023. I hope going into the new year we can have a really great year next year. So this is going to be the last look I give you for this year. And yes, I'm definitely going out and about with this look. So if you want the makeup, I did a full look for it in my previous video. Definitely check out that video. I'm not going to do it in today, but we are going to get into the hair and the outfit for New Year's Eve. And I will also have my outfit linked down in the description box just in case you may want it for another event. I know it's last minute right now. From this company here. This style is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you everything that comes in the box. Hairpins, wig cap, lashes, press-on nails. These actually have a Christmas design though, but they are so pretty. A card with information about how to take care of your wig. Oh, another set of nails. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe a scarf? Razor. I need one of these. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely use that. But they also give you an edge band and an edge brush. And here is the wig straight out the box. Wig is definitely a wig that you can put on. It comes with the pre-cut lace. And the hair color is gorgeous. This is what the cap construction looks like. It is a glueless cap, so you get the adjustable band on the inside. Super excited because I've been waiting to install this just for New Year's. Okay, so this is the hair color. So gorgeous, so pretty. Guys, I'm honestly going to put this wig into a ponytail today because the dress that I'm wearing is very pretty. So I want to kind of keep the hair simple but all right. So I went back and tint the lace because I just wanted everything to blend really well, which it now does. As you can see, that hairline looks good. What are some of your goals for New Year's? Do any of you mind sharing what your New Year goals are for next year? And I just want to make sure I be consistent at whatever I do. If you guys know, I work out a lot. I have a whole Instagram for it. So I'm very proud of my results, and I'm proud of everything that I work hard for, and when I actually achieve my goals, or even just seeing progress when I set forth my goals. So I'm gonna go down to parting with a bit of this concealer. Just because of the color, you want to open up that parting a bit. But I love the fact that this wig actually has two different colors, so it has like a brown and a blonde highlight at the same time, so it makes it look good at the roots. What I'm gonna do is just take this area right here and separate it from the cap so that it can come further down at the ear area. I do feel like it needs to come down a little bit further on the sides, but I'm gonna fix that just by melting it down. I'm gonna take my melting spray by my Sticky Little Secret and spray the lace. I'm gonna do, while this is still a little damp, I'm gonna pull down just a little bit of edges. This is how you extend the hairline. Just pulling down just some edges around the sides if it's too short for you. This is definitely a little too short for me on the side, so I'm just gonna do like this with the edge brush and let it fall the way it wants to. But I'm not gonna pull too much, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my edge band and tie down the edge of the lace, just pressing this against the lace. We do this every video, y'all. If you're new here, you don't know that. But if you're not new here, you probably like, girl, you do this every video. This hair is so pretty. Like, I really like it. Like I said, it's 26 inches, so it's super long. What I want to do with this style today is kind of push it back. And I want to do like a ponytail look with it. This is a lot of hair. A lot. I'm not sure if it's 180, but I will be sure to put this wig link in the description box for you guys. And this much hair is for an event, definitely. It's not an everyday style, but you can always get different lengths, and I will have the link below. Alright, so I want to take the hair. Because it does have the cap in the back, I'm just going to let some of it hang, and I'm just going to take the hair, and it has this natural body wave texture to it. A lot of people, I've noticed, never wear the natural body wave texture of the wig, but I'm going to do it today because to me the body wave is really pretty. With the style that I want, I feel like it's going to give it what I need it to give. So I'm just going to pull it back like so, and this will be good with a clip. So if you have like maybe instead of a hair bow, maybe like a claw that has a design that's smaller, and hooking, I had one, I don't know where it's at, but hook it just like this, it will work out really well. But since I don't have one, I'm going to use a hair bow, a hair tie. I separate the hair half and half, and I want to leave this part a little bit messy but smooth. I want it to look just like this, and I'm going to take that hair bow and put it around this part of the hair really tight securing it. Now if you notice with my hairstyles that I do on wigs, they're very simple, and I mean that. Like, you don't catch me doing 100 million things to achieve a style. Like, that's just not, I don't have time for it. So if you are a person who don't have time and you just want to get your wig on, get it in a cute style and go, yeah, my videos are definitely for you. You can spray this with hairspray if you want to. You can take like a light hold spray, make sure you have no flyaways and it just stay down. Okay, and so we don't want to see the bow, so you can always take a strand of hair like so, take it out and just wrap it around the bow to cover it, and then pin it with a hairpin. All right, I'll remove this edge band. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. So very good. I am creating edges today. You don't have to on your wig, but because I want this area here to flow right, I'm going to separate some hair here and also at this area. Alright, I told y'all this little razor was going to come in handy. I'm going to trim these sides down. I'm going to go in with some of this lace melt mousse. And I like this one because it dries pretty fast, so I'm just going to smooth this edges. Okay, so I'm gonna let that tie down just for a little bit longer so that everything can just lay flat and have time to adhere. I do want to give you guys a little bit of tips when it comes to wearing a style like this with the length. Now, I know you see me just use the melting spray, but I did go back and I added some of this Lace Bond adhesive spray. Definitely check the description box below. I have some tutorials down there. But what I was going to say is, if you're going to wear a style like this, when it's pulled back, you want hold here, because with the hair length and the heaviness of the hair, you don't want it to slide or move or anything like that. But if you're just going to wear it down, then the straps is fine, and also just a melting spray. But definitely make sure this area is tight. We don't want the wig to slide. We don't want it to move around. Especially if you're dancing, you're sweating, just depending on where you're going. For me, I'm just going to be chilled, so just cute and chilled, so I know I'm not going to be like all sweaty or anything. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that tip, and I'll be back in a second once this is done and we're going to move into the outfit. At the hairline now, this looks so good. I like this so very much. This is most likely going to be my everyday wig. And the only reason I say that because I always follow my workouts on my Instagram. I work out every day, and I have a curly wig that's the same as that color, so that's kind of been my go-to style. But just to switch it up, like, this is going to be it. This is what the hair looks like. Super pretty. And if I can show you guys what the back look like, hold on. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will put everything down below in the description box. This wig was so easy to work with. Again, it comes in different lengths, so be sure to check the website. They have different specials and sales and lengths, densities, all that. I like this style. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you guys next year.